I'm Evan Domingo, and we're getting ready to hang a 70-foot piece of gutter for Jtech construction, so here we go. Right here, this is the main machine. This is our gutter machine right here. So we have a big roll coil, usually 350, 400 pound roll back there. You know, it comes pre-made, a lot of it, but we have to fabricate it on site. So right here we got an elbow machine. So this basically makes all our sweeps, downspout extensions, anything like that. It's pretty simple. It's just a lot of thinking like a raindrop and where water is going to flow, and it's actually pretty simple.